Hello, I'm Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. If you're new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in home decor ideas, organizational tips, and planning and productivity strategies. Today, I'm in the showroom of Stacy, Coulter and Associates. He is a phenomenal interior designer, and he has a fabulous showroom, which is in the Dallas Design District. We are going to discuss wallpaper and trends and those things. So please come right back because we're going to go ahead and jump in and get started, and I will introduce you to Stacy and we will view his fabulous showroom. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I am with Stacy Coulter with Stacy Coulter and Associates, a phenomenal interior designer and also owns this fabulous showroom. So can you tell us a little something about yourself and the showroom?
Hey everybody, so we're a to-the-trade showroom and we sell furniture, case goods, lighting, wallpaper, fabric, all to the trade, and try to be basically a one-stop shop for our design community. And that way it allows them to make our clients' dreams or your clients' dreams come true. So that's kind of what we're here for.
Sounds fabulous. If you are ever in the DFW Metroplex, you have to come to his showroom, which is in the Design District. It is fabulous. And at the end of the video, I will have him tell us all of his social media channels, and then we will also link them below. So today I want to talk about wallpaper and some of the trends of 2018. You know, when I think of wallpaper, or when I did think of wallpaper, I would always think of my grandma's wallpaper, the nasty, icky stuff that was on the wall. But we've come a long way.
A long way, for sure.
So tell us some of the different things that are happening with wallpaper right now.
Well, so wallpaper has taken truly a new life. And in the last probably 5 years, we've seen sales increase, and the styles it ranges from these huge, large murals that are very important right now to oversized floral blossoms to large paisley type designs to things with like gemstones in it. It's really all over the place. And I think the thing that, I grew up kind of like you said with your grandmother's wallpaper, where all these matching cute borders and papers that all kind of match, and some of them had roosters on it and all this stuff. Is like, that is nowhere where our wallpaper is today.
Thank God.
All. Yes, thank God. Yes, for sure. So you're seeing, and you're even seeing like veneers, wood veneers that are actually done on papers. You're seeing some, just pretty much anything that will add texture and depth and color to a room. It's all over the place. Your options are endless right now.
Okay, sounds fabulous. Now, what are some of the lines, the wallpaper lines you carry right here in your showroom?
So it's what we carry in our showroom. We carry Tebow, we carry JF, we carry York, we carry Maxwell, we carry Arte, and we carry Valhalla. So, and they're all different styles. So what we try to do in our showroom is with each wallpaper line, bring something, a unique voice from each vendor. So that way it helped you as the designer sort of specify and help with your projects depending on what their needs are.
Okay, that sounds fabulous. So what is your own personal style? What is your favorite?
Well, I'm a little eclectic. So my whole thing is, I believe a home, for me personally, a home should be sort of travel. It should have a sense that you've been somewhere, you're going somewhere. I always believe a home, I love a pretty home, don't get me wrong, I love a pretty home, but it's a dynamic space. It's always moving, it's always changing, just like we are. We're always growing as people, we're always changing. And I think your home needs to reflect that. It needs to reflect your sensibilities and what your passions are. And my whole philosophy in life is that if you truly love something, no matter what it is, if you truly love something, if you buy it, more than likely it'll make it work in your house. And I truly believe that.
I believe that as well. So before you mentioned about using wallpaper as a mural, what are some of the other interesting things you've seen people do with wallpaper?
So wallpaper, nothing makes me happier personally than a wallpapered ceiling. Sometimes clients kind of get like, oh my gosh, you can't wallpaper my ceiling. But truly what it adds is just another dimension and adds a depth. And the ceiling's usually one of the last things that people even think about. Most people forget about the ceilings.
Right.
And that's a great way to add paper or paint because it adds that depth and that texture that is so interesting in a room. Also, bookcases. Bookcases are another place that, you have this plain old Jane bookcase. You just put a little bit of wallpaper. It doesn't need that much, require that much yardage, and it looks amazing made up. And it lets your accessories and your other things that are in front of it kind of pop off. And it gives it, again, another depth and dimension to it.
He is so right. Even right now in his showroom, he has some very beautiful samples of where they've used wallpaper and bookshelves and murals and just backdrops, and it is really fabulous. So please stay tuned to the end of the video because I will show you some pictures of those things. So, is there anything else you would like to tell us about wallpaper before we get off?
Well, I will tell you about powder bathrooms. Every house, your powder bathroom, that's your little jewelry box. You think about it, your clients, right? When your customers entertaining and they come into your home and they're eating, they're drinking, they're having a great time, they're going to use that powder bathroom more than anything. If you're the homeowner, you're probably not using that powder bathroom quite as much, right? You don't really go in there.
You really don't.
So the powder bathroom is that little special place for your clients or your guests to walk into and go, oh my gosh, this is amazing. So treat it like a jewelry box. Wallpaper every wall in it, blow it out, do something really fun, something that you're passionate about, whether it be color, a color of a paper or a pattern of a paper. Just really have fun and make that your little special room so when your guests come over, they feel special too. So I'm a firm believer in every powder bath should be fully wallpapered.
That sounds wonderful. It also sounds like a tweetable mention. So what did you say? Your powder room is your personal jewelry box?
That's your jewelry box.
That's a tweetable quote. So go ahead and tweet that, and then also at Stacy Coulter Associates?
StacyCoulter.com.
Okay. Sounds great. Well, thank you very much for allowing me in your showroom. I'm going to show all of my followers the beautiful things that you have, which is, absolutely stunning. And also, please subscribe to this video or this channel, like this video, and head on over to his website and visit social media, which will be linked below. So thank you very much. You have a divine day.
Thanks, guys.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Hey everybody, I just wanted to show one of the trends that we're having right now in wallpaper. This is from a company called York that we're very happy to have in our showroom just recently. It's a very eclectic line. It has a lot of different styles, but this definitely showcases one of the trends that we're seeing right now in the marketplace. You're seeing a lot of foliage, botanicals. This has these beautiful succulent designs mixed in with a very sort of playful sort of watercolor sort of design to it. This is one of our new favorites and appears a lot now with all the lighter woods that a lot of the clients are putting in their homes. This all came out of a new book called Outdoors In, so it's kind of bringing the outdoor into your room space. And it has this beautiful trellis pattern, but then it also has this gorgeous botanical with the modern geometrics in the background. I don't know if y'all can see that okay, but very dynamic, very dramatic, a lot of depth and dimension to it. That's just some of the fun things we're seeing with this sort of botanical designs we're seeing becoming more prevalent in our marketplace. So some beautiful new wallpapers from York. Hey everybody, this is a company called Valhalla Hand Painted Papers. This is a domestically made product here in Nebraska. And what they do, actually they have artisans that hand paint these papers depending on color and style. What I love about these papers is not only does it add a really pretty texture and dimension to the wall, but they come in different shapes. So these are just not up-the-roll type of papers. These come in squares, they come in rectangles, as you see here. We've done a rectangular shape and done it in sort of an asymmetrical pattern laying. It also comes in hexagons. It has some really fun, unique ways of doing a hand-painted paper on your walls. This is one of my new favorites. This is called Diopside. It's a beautiful metallic, almost like a mica shell design. I don't know if everybody can see that okay. And then this goes back to showing you how they use that wallpaper in a square shape application and put it on the ceiling. So as earlier we referred to putting it on the ceiling, here's a great illustration to show how well this looks made up. Who would not want that dining room? I mean, amazing. I want to be a guest at this dining room table. This is awesome. Thank you. So this is a prime example. We talked about earlier about murals for your home. So what we did is we put this beautiful JF mural. So this is sort of a classic traditional motif, very much in the vein of sort of a Paisley-esque design that we were so prevalent in the 80s. Well, 80s are back, by the way. So this shows where they've taken this pattern and blown up the scale of it. So it's extremely large. So it looks very modern, very fresh. And this is a great way to take your traditional homes, which, Texas has a lot of beautiful traditional homes. This is a great way to take a traditional room and add a little bit of a modern element because of the size, scale, and the color. And it's a great way to take your existing things and make it more fresh feeling. So this is a beautiful new mural. It comes in all different heights and widths. But you can take it not only to a traditional look like this, but you can also take this beautiful large-scale floral. You see the scale of these flowers compared to the chair. It's just a very dramatic, beautiful floral, great for a master bedroom wall, or even your powder bathroom. I was telling you to blow it out. Do a large-scale pattern in a powder bath. It makes the room, the size of it, seems so much more special. So definitely look at these murals, because there's beautiful ones out now to make your space special.
This is absolutely one of my favorite. When I saw this one, I just fell in love. This could personally be my jewelry box.
Let's do it.
We need to do it.
And look, she's on trend too. She's got the flowers with the flowers.
Yes.
So I wanted to show you another great example of where wallpaper is now. So this looks like a beautiful upholstered wall, right? This is actually wallpaper. So this is a company called Arte International. It's a Belgian line, but they ship out of Kentucky. Beautiful, very fashion-forward editorial sort of papers. What I love about this one is that so many of our houses nowadays have so many hard surfaces. So we have, tile, wood floors, granite countertops. We have all this hard surface that just echoes sound in our houses. So how do we counteract that? We need something that's soft that absorbs those sounds. So why not do a beautiful wall? And this comes in different designs, but a beautiful wall has a suede face hand to it, so it absorbs sound, so it's acoustical rated. But you can also take, not only if you're traditional like this, but you actually could come in and do some really fun designs that are, a little bit more transitional, a little bit more contemporary feeling. And again, you can put these on your walls, you can put these on your ceilings, and it adds just another element, another layer to your home, and it actually increases your enjoyment of your home because of its acoustical values. So this is a company called Arte. This is just another of the examples of where wallpaper is going right now, and there's so many special things. So definitely call your interior designer and have them show you some of the new exciting things that we're doing. Here is another example of where wallpaper is today. So here you see behind this beautiful butterfly painting is a beautiful paper that actually has a wood veneer on the face of it. So you can actually take any of these designs from Tebow and you can create different colors, different looks to apply to your walls. You've got all these beautiful shades and tones, so it's a great way to add warmth to a room just by adding a paper. I was also going to show you another of my favorites from Tebow. Is this beautiful sort of geometric, abstract sort of paper. It comes in great colors and it just has a very fresh sort of feel. So there's all different looks, and hopefully from today you're seeing different types of papers and different applications of how to use papers and add a lot of value to your room without a lot of cost. Because if you were going to go add a solid wood wall to your house, it would be quite expensive. This is a great way to actually get that look and cut down on your budget and your pricing. So definitely take advantage of these beautiful veneers from Tebow.